Yes guys, welcome to Just How Do I Do It? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. I'm going to show you how to make your PC way faster. Anyway, in this video what we're going to do is come to the search bar at the bottom and you want to type in run. Once you've typed in run, you want to click on run and you also want to go ahead and search for temp. Press enter, bosh, and then you'll have a load of files in here that you don't need. What you'll want to do then is click on one of them, press Control A, and that will obviously highlight them all, and then you can press the bin, and it will say, do you want to delete it? And you say, yes, please. Well, you don't, you just press yes. Anyway, once you've done that, you then go back to run again. You want to then go percentage, then temp, and then percentage. And this works exactly the same way as I'll show you. Click on one, Control A, highlight, put it in the bin. Oh, no, that's not gone right. Control A, yeah, put it in the bin, and pretty good. Obviously, some stuff you can't delete. But obviously, it doesn't matter. These are tiny. It's like 1,000 kilobyte, mate. So that's not really a lot. Anyway, the next thing to increase the performance in your PC is obviously enabling game mode. And obviously, game mode is obviously built into Windows 10 and 11, but Windows 11 is obviously going to be better because it's more updated. Anyway, once you've done that, you want to click it on. It's probably already on. If you set your PC up to be a gaming PC, it probably already is on. And that's that. Now, the next one is power. Now, you're probably wondering, what do you mean power? Well, yeah, power. You want to click on it. Edit power plan. You want to type in power at the bottom. Let me just show you that again because I keep rushing. Power. You want to type that in, and obviously it says choose power plan. Or you can click on edit power plan. It doesn't really matter. And then you can click power up here if you do it the other like power options that way. Anyway, what you want to do is choose one of these. Obviously balanced. Obviously uses less power, but obviously you get less performance, and that is not good for gaming. You want a high performance it. Do that. And that is job done. And now I can breathe. Anyway, smash the subscribe button. It really does help. Honestly, it does. You don't understand how much it actually will help me. Like, it'll actually make me a better person. It'll make me create good things for people in the future. It'll make me the best person in the world. It won't really. But subscribe anyway. Smash the like button. Comment below if your PC is faster. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next how-to video. Bye.